Have you ever seen a plant that looks like it came straight from a fairy tale? Meet the Philodendron pink princess. This stunning beauty is turning heads in the houseplant world. Today, we'll explore why you should grow this unique plant in your home. The Philodendron pink princess is not just a pretty face. It's a rare plant that adds elegance to any space. With its striking pink and green leaves, it's perfect for plant lovers and beginners alike. Plus, this plant is surprisingly easy to care for. Let's break down how to grow and care for your Philodendron pink princess step by step. First, choose the right pot. Make sure it has drainage holes. This prevents root rot. Next, use a well-draining potting mix. Aeroid mixes work wonderfully. Now, consider lighting. The pink princess thrives in bright, indirect sunlight. Too much direct sunlight will scorch the leaves. Place it near a window with filtered light. Watering is essential. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out before watering. Overwatering can lead to serious issues. During the growing season, water more frequently. In winter, cut back on water. Humidity is crucial for your plant's happiness. The pink princess enjoys humidity levels of 50% or higher. A humidifier can help. Alternatively, mist the leaves occasionally. Lastly, fertilizing can boost growth. Use a balanced fertilizer every month during spring and summer. This enhances the beautiful coloring and keeps the plant healthy. Imagine your friends admiring your stunning pink princess. Picture how it can transform a dull corner into a vibrant space. Plus, it's an excellent conversation starter. In summary, the Philodendron pink princess is not just beautiful. It's easy to care for, thrives in the right conditions, and brings joy to your home. Are you ready to add this captivating plant to your collection? Don't wait. Start your journey with the Philodendron pink princess today and watch your space transform. Happy planting!